Alright, Greg, here's what you do. Here you got your crappie. Take your fillet knife, right here, see behind this dorsal fin. You're going to start right there. You're going to make an incision. You go all the way down at an angle, like that. Okay, now, what I do is I take the fish by the eyes, I turn it like that, and let's see, get over here. Right there where the top of its fin is, right there at the top of its backbone, I can feel that left-hand side of that spine. And I go down till I hit backbone. My knife point is hitting backbone every time. And I go all the way down the fish's tail like that. Then what I do is I grab this front corner right here, I'm pointing with my knife blade. I pull back, I just take it, and I pull back with my left hand. And I try to rub right up against that rib cage. I go in the middle. I try to get that belly meat this way. I found it's easier to do that way. But it just pulls straight back. Then I take my knife blade and I'm going to stick it right through that belly. Now I've got that separated. Come over here, Johnny. Now what I'm going to do is take that knife blade. I've got that separated right there. Stick it right down there at the bottom of this fin here. Can you get that fin good? And then I'm going to go right through there. And my knife blade is against that rib cage. And I go all the way down. And I flip that tail, that side back. Then I take my knife blade, I take my two fingers here. I go down into the meat up against the inside of that skin. Then I just press down with my left hand and shave it with my right. There's your fillet. Throw it in my bucket. I left a little bit there, but it was an accident. Then the other side, I do it the same way, only in a backwards motion. I start at the fin back here. Like I said, I still feel that backbone. Go toward me, and then I go towards the tail. Come over here on my right side. Now I've got that separated right there, as you can see. You just kind of pull on it. You're going to leave some meat, but that's alright. You're going to get most of it. And I poke through that belly like that. Now I've got the belly split right there. And I just run my knife the same way. Stay against the spine all the way out here to the end of the tail. I flip it back, take my two fingers, put on that tail, go down into the meat, and I'm holding on the inside of that skin there with my fingers. I just keep that knife blade flat against the wood. And there you go, there's a fillet. Put it in your bucket. That's how you fillet a fish.